Hello guys, this is the part 2 of Making a Horror Game in 48 Hours series, and today we are going to create the puzzle that will actually allow the player to win the game. The base idea for the puzzle came from Hellbot Studios, like the buttons asset, but I tweaked it a little to fit my needs. Instead of using a fixed combination, I thought would be more interesting to randomize each time the player starts or restarts the game. In that way, even with just one puzzle, the player stays engaged. I also changed the knocking system. Instead of random knocks, the monster only knocks when it hears the player make a mistake in the puzzle. Now, how do we make winning fun? You know what's never boring? Yeah, guns. What's better than winning by shooting the monster in the face? But how do I add a gun to the game, and how do I introduce it to the player? Here's my idea. Let the puzzle unlock the gun. Add a chest with a opening animation plus a cool sound effect to reveal the gun. But then came another problem. Where is the monster to shoot at? After a lot of searching, I found the perfect solution. This bookhead over here. So let's make him bigger to amp up the fear factor. Let's give to him movements, and I also want to him be always facing me. To introduce the monster, I decide to spawn him randomly at the door when the player picks up the gun. For now, one shot is all that takes to kill him and win the game. Now let's polish the game. I added a menu, a main menu, a pause menu, and most importantly, the ways to lose. There are multiple fail states. First one, if the monster knocks out the door, like there is a time, so you have to kinda disarm the bomb in the time. But if you don't do this, well, the monster came in. The second one, if all the lights are down and the monster starts knocking the door. So if all lights are down and you make a mistake in the puzzle, it's gonna get in. And the third one, if you don't kill him in time, well, he catches you. That's it, guys. 28 hours of work. It is all recorded. Well, I will post it on itch.io. I'm actually doing the game page right now, and but first I need to do some kind of improvements. It's like the game has now 1.59 gigabytes, and this is a lot because the game has I don't know, kind of 10 minutes of gameplay, and I also want to do some improvements on performance. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video about the optimization of the game, and see you in the next video.